Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you 3 methods to fix enable direct message on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's get started. Solution 1. First, you need to remove the software box for TikTok apps. Tap on TikTok and tap on app info. On the bottom, tap on clear data. And you should tap on clear all data. Again tap on OK. After that, check your update for the TikTok by tapping the Google Play Store and here search for TikTok. After that, solution 2 is open the TikTok app. Tap profile on the bottom right corner and on the top right corner you can see the horizontal line. Tap on it and tap on setting and privacy and scroll down to find report a problem and tap on it. After that, scroll down. Here you can see direct message. Tap on it. After that, tap on direct messaging is no longer available. Now try to read this section carefully. It says if you are under 16 years, this feature is not for you. However, if your account is over 16 years old, then you can go back from here. Then reopen the setting of TikTok. Scroll down and find direct message. But if you still have issue, then lastly go back and scroll down. Tap on report a problem. Scroll down and tap on submit a report. And here you should type about your issue. After that, tap on submit. Wait around 24 hours after they will email you and give you update. If you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.